A major controversy surrounding the alleged theft of donations at Ayodhya's Ram temple has now taken a dramatic turn, as UP police intensified its investigation by conducting raids at the residence of all the 8 accused linked to the case. Well, today police teams reached the homes of the accused, including the main accused Ram Shankar Yadav, also known as Tinu Yadav, along with Avinash Shukla and Anukalp Mishra. However, when officers arrived at Tinu Yadav's residence, they found the house locked. According to the police officials, his wife had locked the house and left before the raid began. Similarly, another accused, Manish Yadav's house was also found locked, raising further suspicion in the matter. Police reports say that the investigators were trying to question family members and gather important information related to the accused person's properties, bank investments, jewelry, and financial transactions. The main aim of these raids is to trace the money trail and identify where the allegedly stolen donation money may have been diverted. Officials reveal that Tinu Yadav is considered one of the key accused in the high profile case. Reports also claim that he was closely associated with senior temple management and had significant control over the donation counting process. Investigators allege that he supervised the counting of cash donations and even had access to the keys of the counting room and donation boxes. What has shocked many people is the allegation that Tinu Yadav, who once worked as auto rickshaw driver, had allegedly built assets worth crores over the time. And all these assets are now under strict investigation as authorities suspect that they may be linked to the misappropriated temple funds. Police have stated that all these searches are not just about recovering money but also about understanding the financial network behind the operation. Investigators want to know who benefited from the alleged theft and whether there are more people involved than the 8 already arrested. And according to the reports, the families of Tinu Yadav and Manish Yadav did not cooperate during these searches. Police have warned that if family members continue to refuse cooperation, this will be brought before the court as part of the investigation. And in order to ensure complete transparency and avoid any allegations of planted evidence, an independent government revenue official known as Lekpal accompanied the police during the raids. The official verified both the police team and the premises before and after the search operations were completed. Well, the entire controversy first came to light on June 7 when allegations of donation embezzlement at the Ram temple surfaced, and following a request by the Sri Ram Janbhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust, the UP government formed a special investigation team, also known as SIT, on June 13 in order to probe the matter. And after carrying out a preliminary investigation, the SIT submitted its report based on which an FIR was officially registered on June 25. Soon after, police arrested 8 individuals who were directly associated with counting cash and valuables received as donations at the temple. The accused include Avinash Shukla, Anukalp Mishra, Lavkush Mishra, Manish Kumar Yadav, Karunesh Pandey, Ram Shankar Mishra, Subhash Srivastav, and Ram Shankar, also known as Tinu Yadav. So far, investigators have recovered a total of 79 lakhs and 85,000 rupees in connection with the matter. Authorities believe that this could be only a part of the total amount allegedly embezzled. Well, the case has been registered under several serious sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, including theft by servant, criminal breach of trust, receiving stolen property, criminal conspiracy, along with sections of the Prevention of Corruption Act. And at present, all the 8 accused are in judicial custody until June 29. However, police are expected to seek custodial remand when they are produced before the court, as investigators believe more questioning is necessary in order to uncover the full scale of the alleged scam. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has reportedly directed strict action against anyone found guilty in this case. With raids continuing and financial records under scrutiny, this investigation is expected to reveal even bigger details in the coming days. Now, the big question remains, how deep does this donation scam go, and will more names emerge as the money trial unfolds? Well, the coming days could be crucial in one of the most sensitive and high-profile investigations in Ayodhya.